Okay, we see how this network work, and I will go offline now, and I will come instruction, and we will look now another basic operation. Normally closed contact, and this normally closed contact the work normally open contact, like normally open contact, but this all time look inside this bit. If inside this bit 1 or true, this command change station, and I will put here another output and 0.1, and I will give name lamp 2, and I will use here the same start button. If you give all tags, you must not remember which one input or which one memory or which one output you use. You can write this name, and I will write start. I will begin write start, and you can see here TIA port automatically show me and start button I choose. So I will download my program, and we can see here what happened. And now is normally my memory 0.0 is 0, inside is 0 or false, and because of this you can see here normally closed contact is now on. Normally open and normally closed mean like this. PLC all time look which one memory I use or which one input I use, and if I use normally open contact and these bits if 0, and this my contact is not work now or false. Normally close contact look inside this memory or input or output, and look if inside is false, my contact is true. If inside is 1 or true, this my normally closed contact, you can see here this false now. Okay, we can look here. When my memory 0.0 is on or true, my lamp 1 is open now and work now, and when I make it my start button 0, memory inside in 0, this normally closed contact now work, and my lamp 2 is on now, and this normally open and normally close contact work like this. If I use digital input and if I use normally close contact, this situation will change. All time we must know, and all time we must think what happened our memory inside. If our memory inside is 0, and this time we want work or network, we must use normally close contact. If we want when this memory or input or output true, and we want to make this network is working, we must use normally open contact. After we will put our system in some bottom, and we will show you how work or digital input. So I will make it now my memory 0.0 now true, and my lamp 1 is work now. Okay, we can look basic instructions inside some command. So this button, when I push this start button, and my lamp is now true, and my lamp is work now, or we can we all time will say true or activate. My lamp is now true. When I make it 0, and you can see my lamp is now not true or false, not activate. I want to make it when I push start button, I want to make all time this lamp work. So we can make it like this. I will make it this parallel this start button in my lamp. You can make copy and paste, and I will load now my program. I download program, and what happened we can see now. I make monitoring on. My program look now if start button is activate and my lamp is activate, or again my CPU or my PLC look is this lamp 1 is on and again lamp 1 is on. If I make it start button is 1, my lamp is work now, you can see here, and I will make my start button 0 or false. You can see here my lamp is still working and my lamp is still activate. You can see here. So how I make it now this lamp 1 is close? I must now I don't have any command or I don't have anything. If I make it my CPU stop mode, my lamp will be close, and I will make it run now, and this all memory inside is 0 now, and we can see now our lamp 1 is close. I can use here this, you will see this line. I must use some command here, and I must cut this line, and I will put here this line. Inside this line I will put some command, and I will use this command is normally closed, and I will give name memory 0.1, and I will now do learning system, and I will load. Yeah, we can see now my memory 0.1, I will give name stop now, and I will load again. My stop button is now is normally closed, and this memory inside is 0 because of this. My stop button is activate now, and I will give stop button now 1, and my system is work. I push make it this start button 0, my system still working, you can see here. This green line, I must use some command, and I must cut this green line. How I can make it now? I make it stop button is 1 or 2, and this line is cutting, and my lamp is now deactivate, or my lamp 1 is don't work now. So this system is like set reset. When I make it again, I make it this stop button is 0, and I will give start button 1 or true. My lamp is open. When I make modify 0 my start button, and you can see here my lamp is set now. This here I use this parallel this lamp 1, Because of this, my system is set. We can say this here, this set system, and when I make it this stop button 1 or true, my system is reset now. So here we don't have a lot of condition now. We have two condition here. Because of this, my system is very easily working now. If we have more than one condition, or if we have different networks, some comment or different networks condition for working this lamp, we must use set and reset command. So this here works set and reset. Now I will use another command, this reset and set command. Reset output and set output. Work the same like this, but we will this very easily for us. I will use normally open contact and M0.2, and here I will use set command. If you put some command here, you can see this orange, or you can come this command left, right, upside, and you can see which one command you can change. I will put set, and I give my another output Q 0.2 here, and I will give name start 2, and I will give name lamp 3, and this, when I push this start button, this lamp will be start, alt start and set. When I making this button 0, this lamp still will open. When I want to reset or close this lamp, I must use another bit for the reset. I rename stop 2, and I will push here reset button, and you can copy or you can make it control button and drag and drop. Now I will download. Now we will see when I push start 2 button, my lamp will be open or my lamp be activate. We can see here I make it my start button activate. You can see here my open is my output 2 is work now. When I make it this start button 0, you can see still I have output now. When this output will be closed, when I make it stop button 1, stop button to 1, and this my lamp reset now. And again, if I want to again this lamp will work, I must make this start button to true. Now next video we will continue about creating the program.